The importance of caring for your skin. Packaging is as important as the gift itself. It's something that most of the gift manufacturing companies follow very closely. The same holds good for you too. Your outer self, i.e., your skin, is as important as your inner self. A lot of people do realize the importance of skincare. Well, this is one reason why there are so many skincare products in the market, and most of the skincare products seem to do pretty well. We generally tend to associate skincare to just good looks. However, there is more to it than just that. There are multiple benefits associated with a healthy and glowing skin. Firstly, it has a good effect on you yourself. It makes you feel fresh and energetic. You are able to do more work and are quicker with everything you do. More importantly, the freshness adds to your enjoyment and makes your day. So a healthy skin too plays its part in building confidence. Yes, you can take most of the credit for having achieved that. However, do leave a little for the skincare products too. Moreover, this flow of positive energy is experienced by people around you too, and you observe that even they are friendlier with you. You get more respect from others. They are more responsive to your queries. They themselves experience the freshness that you are exuding. They love working with you and for you. Yes, that's how it works. Some people might even go ahead and ask you about the skincare products you use. You might or might not reveal those secret skincare products to them. Thus, a healthy skin can be instrumental in creating a pleasant and friendly environment around you. On the other hand, carelessness or negligence on this front can make you look unattractive and dull. You will not only look dull but also feel dull. Your work efficiency is reduced. Even the people you meet might not be as friendly. In fact, it might lead to the aging process getting started much earlier. Thus, the importance of skincare cannot be ignored. However, skincare is not that difficult at all. There are a lot of skincare products available, and you can choose the ones that suit you the best. There are various ways in which skincare products are classified, and the knowledge about these classifications will help you understand them better and make a selection. The first categorization is based on the skin type, so you have skincare products for oily skin, skincare product for dry skin, skincare products for sensitive skin, etc. Another way is to categorize skincare products based on their UCG. You have moisturizers, cleansers, skincare products for exfoliation, toners, etc. Then you have skincare products for treatment of various skin dilemmas, i.e., skincare products for acne, skincare products for stretch marks, skincare products for anti-aging, etc. Another classification is based on the ingredients, e.g., herbal skincare products, synthetic skincare products, cosmetic skincare products, etc. However, skincare products are not the only way of skincare. You also need to build some basic skincare procedures in your day-to-day life, as we discuss in the other article on personal skincare.